Hello and welcome to the Model Student. Today is a product review, and I thought we would take a look at this little Gohelper airbrush kit unit. And this is a mini compressor set up with an airbrush gun, and it looks like just a travel little compact transportable air compressor coming together in a little kit. Now I looked up, I didn't see it still available, so I got this at one of those restock sort of places at a flea market, and it cost me $50 Canadian. And when I looked online, the whole kit I think went for about $140 I think when it was available. I'll put a link, or not a link, but I'll put at least a description, a picture, a photo or something so you can see the ad of what they went for. But I was able to pick up this unit for $50 Canadian, and I thought it looked like a pretty good deal. It comes with the cleaning kit, which gives us all our tools, and pretty nice looking braided hose. It's that loose kind, so this is actually kind of a nice hose. Some of them stay coiled. This one seems to be relaxing nicely, so looks like a decent hose. And look at it, here we go. So I haven't tried this thing or even taken it out of the box yet. I just got it a couple days ago. I haven't had a chance to look at it. So, well, he said it was brand new. He said he tried it out at work, so we'll have to see. It's yeah, it looked pretty basic, simple construction. Looks like soft touch power on and off on the top. Our EC adapter inlet and our outlet for our hair. They're crazy. Okay, and I'm assuming this is going to be the adapter. Yeah, there we go. So we have our adapter. We have, oh look, it comes with a filter. So the moisture filter, palette. It looks like a little clip, clip holder for the gun right here. Nice. Look at that. Yeah, I guess this would just go in line here. I assume. I got some Teflon tape for that to put on later. We'll give it a shot though, just to see if it works. A little palette. And here is our airbrush gun holder. That looks like a pretty good idea too, doesn't it? So now, set this over here, I guess. We'll take a look at the gun. So, let's see. Comes in a nice little case. Well, so far I'm pretty impressed with this little kit. For $50, if it works, I'll be even more happy. But even just getting a gun, a new airbrush for $50, and it comes with the pressure, the valve control, so it comes with the adjustable. So these are $7 and $14, I think, for a 2 or 3 pack for these little things alone. There's our adapter. And here's our Gohelper gun. Oh, it's got good weight to it. Closed. Oh, it comes with a replacement needle, so it has a needle in it, and it comes with a replacement needle as well. 0.5 mil. That's kind of nice. Oh, holy, look at another one. So we have a 2 mil. Oh, isn't this nice? And I wonder what's in here. Might tell us. Oh, look at, getting calls from the mothership. So we got a 0.2 anyways and a 0.5 mil needles here inside the kit, which is pretty sweet, and it has a needle inside it, so maybe 0.8. Okay, so we're back. Sorry about the interruption from the mothership, but I just took delivery of 2 new kits for me. Not new, but new for me, and I will be showing those to you right away. In an upcoming episode, I will be showing off the kits that I got. A couple cars. So, anyways, here we are. So we're back, and so this is the airbrush that comes with the Gohelper, branded for them. It looks pretty like your standard, although it's heavy. It seems to be well made. Action seems to be working okay now that we got it loosened up, and it does come with multiple tips and multiple needles. So yeah. So anyways, let's try this thing and get it plugged in. I'm going to move this box over here. And I guess, let's see, we should take a look at the instructions. Take the needle, very fine. So it's an O2, a 3, and a 5. So what's in there is a 3. It comes with a 3 installed. Yeah, and it comes with a 2 and a 5. So the medium. Yeah, that's kind of nice of them. Big dots, straight lines. Distribution. So this is nice. It gives you maintenance. So I guess that makes it how to take care of it and clean it. Give you back pressure. Shows you how to use the cleaning kit. And that's in English, German. Now we can put this. And this one I'm going to be careful not to thread. Too much. Here we go. Not cross-threaded or anything. And here we go. So I'm just going to use the tip that's in it, which is a 3.3. No. And oh, you know what? I wonder, is that nipple hair? So we can go direct. Or we have our quick release. We'll try it too. Good fit. Go here. Put that into our supply hose. These are nice. I have these fitted on my other airbrushes, which are nice because they give you the quick release fitting, and they give you this pressure control right at the gun, which is nice because you can generally, you know, within a little bit, adjust your pressure right at the gun. And you also get the quick release feature, which is nice. So that sets us up at our gun end. Trigger is working. Okay, well, I think I'm gonna get us out a piece of paper to test it. Sitting over here so you can see what the heck we're doing. A piece of construction paper here to use. Get you set up here. I'll set you over here. Okay, so let's get our power over here. Oh, it does have a charge. Has pressure. After I took it apart, it said to take apart this assembly here, and it was sort of buzzes. I guess that pack definitely quieter than it's a little bit stiff. So once I pulled the needle through, lubricated it, got it moving, we seem to be spraying now. So we definitely have spray action with this 3 mil. I can dial down the pressure if I want. Oh, we're down to go too far. Ooh, careful. Ooh. There we go. So we have a bit of control there. Yeah, let's throw a little paint in and see what kind of line we get out and see how this works. But so far, I'm pretty impressed with how it works. And let's see, I got some pre-mixed, some pre-thin Tamiya here. We might as well use our little folder. There we go. So you can see it. And yeah, let's get this tightened up and give this a good shake. And I just grab, what is this, sea gray? Yeah, sky gray, XF19. Pretty standard issue. So yeah, let's take a quick look and see how this sprays with some Tamiya paint, which traditionally is one of the easier ones I find anyways for me to spray. I know some guys use the lacquers, but me with pets, the lacquers are not a good idea for me. So I'm just going to put a few drops in here. I put a little bit more in. See what we got. Alright. Well, there's our free palette. I don't know if it dispenses everything here. There we go. Okay. I've got my pressure down. And there we go. You can see it. It's giving us a nice little line. This brush seems to be working okay. Seems to work alright for sure. We'll get some water going through there. We'll give her a clean. Bit of back pressure. Oh, look at that. She boils nice. Yeah. Wipe out side. Make sure we don't. So that is it. That's the Gohelper airbrush kit with mini compressor, and I think for what you get, it's a pretty comprehensive kit altogether, and I hope it works for you know, a extended period of time. We'll see as we put it through just regular use. I mean, I'm not going to use it as my main air compressor or my main airbrush setup, but I think for right here at my build table for the odd thing, it's going to be really handy. So we'll see how it works over long term, but I think for what you get in the kit, it seems pretty comprehensive. You get everything you need and more. You get more than you need. You got a variety. So yeah, anyways, that's the Gohelper mini compressor and airbrush kit, and I'm the model student. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you again soon. See you later.